Hello student, and this is Santosh Kumar. Today we are going to study civics from class 7 chapter 1, which is on equality. In this chapter, today's our topic is issues of equality in other democracies. Dear students, in this chapter we have discussed about of India, Indian democracy, equality, discrimination, etc. In this topic we will discuss about of other democracies countries and its issue of equality, like America, where issue around communities struggle. In the United States of America, the African American whose ancestors were the slaves who were brought over from Africa continue to describe their lives today as largely unequal. It means यूएसए में अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन लोग जिनके एंसेस्टर गुलाम थे, जो अफ्रीका से लाए गए थे, आज उनके साथ अनइक्वालिटी, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हो रहा है. For example, when traveling by bus, they either had to sit at the back of the bus or get up from their seat whenever a white person wished to sit. That means between traveling period of time, American asked, get up from here, sit to back. You don't know this seat reserved for white people? How dare you to sitting here? Rosa Parks refused to give up her seat on a bus to a wild man on 1st December 1955. Her refusal that started a huge agitation against the unequal. Yes, Rosa Parks was an African American woman who refused to give her seat to a white man on 1st December 1955 because which day she felt tired. And then after in America started a huge agitation against inequality which known as civil rights movement. Finally, according to Civil Rights Act 1964, prohibited discrimination on the basis of race, religion or national origin. After that, all schools would be open to African American children. Okay, our next topic is challenge of democracy. Dear students, no country can be described as a being completely democratic because we have different challenges in democracy, like establishing democracy in our country, keeping military away from controlling government, applying the basic principle of democratic government and people participation, etc. Thank you.